Baby girl.
Well, I just went and picked up Savannah from the nursery because she stayed there all night. They had to wake her up to check her band with my band, make sure, I was the dad. She started fussing when they started unwrapping her, but as soon as she seen me, she stopped.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
I got that all on camera. See, the light, looking into the light's making her sneeze like it does me.
You taking after Daddy with that? Are you taking after Daddy? Because Mama don't do that. I just sneeze so wet.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Haven't seen you all night.
Yeah. Mommy got to see you the other night. We just had her feed you fed formula. That works. We want you to gain some weight again before we go home. Yeah, we want you to gain some more weight. Get back up to what you were. I know you don't understand a word I say, do ya?
Love you.
Mommy and Daddy need to eat pretty soon. Yeah, and then you can eat. And hopefully Mommy can get her shower in today. Yeah.
I love you.